Hi, myself Parv Tharia. My roll number is 2201 CS91. So in today's lab, we need to create a password validator system that enforces strong password policies, checks for password breaches, implements a progressive strength scoring, and provides user-friendly feedback. So let's look at code. So we have four different functions: check breach, entropy calculation, password strength, and validate password. So first of all, we will call our main function from here, which is this. So what it does, it first takes our username and password. We will use getPass library to hide our password while entering. Then we will call validate password function. So this will create a result dictionary having length, uppercase, lowercase, number, special characters, breach, username, similarity, and patterns. Then we will first check for username similarity. So we will check a fuzzy, we will use sequence matcher with our password and username, and we will directly also check if our username is directly present in our password. If it is, we will assign 100 score to password similarity. Otherwise, we will use fuzzy matching score. Then this is our common pattern array. We can add multiple different common patterns. Then we will call password strength function with password and common patterns to check for common patterns. So what it does, it first calculates. Let's first calculate entropy. So we will call entropy calculation function. So what it does, it calculates the pool size of our password by checking if character is present or in it or not. So we'll calculate our entropy by length of password times log base 2 of pool size, and we will round it to 2 decimal points. Then we have entropy. So what we do, we assign entropy as a score and we limit it at 100. Now if we found our pattern in our password, we will reduce 20 from our score, and uh, we also assign found pattern to pattern. Now we need to calculate time required to solve our password. So this is our combination. So we take combination as 2 to the power of entropy, and we assume that per second we will crack 10 to the power 10 passwords. So our total number of seconds required is combination divided by 10 to the power 10, and we convert this into years, days, or hours. We return our found values. So now we have score, entropy, correct time, and pattern. Uh, then we check for breach. So let me go to the first function. So in breach check, we get our password, we hash the password, we take prefix of it, and we call the API. Have I been found API? This checks for all breach passwords for our prefix. So if it is our prefix is in the breach passwords, it will return false. Yeah. So now we have a check breach result also. We return all the results to the main function. Now this is where we show our results according to lab assignment. So as you can see, we are assigning tick marks if results of upper is greater than 0, or else it's uh, so as you can see, if our username similarity is greater than 50, we will mark our similarity to username as a true, and we will show where what percentage of our username is in the matching with password. We will also showing entropy, correct time, score. So this will be more clear when I will show you output. We will also be showing recommendations according to the if our pattern matched, our username had similarities with the password, or length is not according to what required. And at the end, we will give password acceptable or non-acceptable score. If our score is greater than 60, if it is not breach, or and its length is not less than 12, then we will assign password as acceptable, otherwise weak. Let me run it. So let's say username is per. Let's say we try to pass password that is not good. So I applied 12345 and then capital P A R V. So as you can see, character length is 9, which is not good because we need at least 12. We have one uppercase P, 3 lowercase, 5 numbers, 0 special characters. So you can see 1234Y is detected. So, 1234Y was a common pattern. It's detected. Similar to username is also detected because my username is also per. Entropy is 53.59. Estimated crack day is 15 days. Strength score is 33. And recommendations are avoid common patterns, don't use personal information, considering more random characters, increase password length to more. Now let's create a better password. So again, my username is per, and this time I will be randomly clicking keys to get better passwords. As you can see, it has 15 characters. I didn't count. One uppercase, 8 lowercase, 5 numbers. Special characters also has no common patterns, distinct from username, not in a data breaches. 98.32 bits. It takes so many years to crack it, and strength score is 98. And password is accepted. So thanks for watching.